Who dares enter the chamber of the Knights of Malta?
David Walliams.
Little Britain, Britain's Got Talent, children's books and shit.
Never heard of you.
Google me, babes. Well, I'd love to stay and chat, but I'm hosting the Golden Bee Awards at the Mediterranean Film Festival, so I'll just take this and get out of your hair.
Kill him! No!
Grandmaster.
Nobody dies on this island without my specific order. This sorcerer tried to steal the Golden Bee.
I need it for the awards.
This Golden Bee belongs to us.
Looks like a doorstop.
The Golden Bee. Knights, guard it with your lives. Imprison this fool. We will execute him at dawn.